The series shows, as I said, they show the negative and the positive sides of love. But in life, in general, have you ever felt a negative part of love?
I just feel like because I've had multiple experiences, um, I feel like at different times, at different times. She said love. We're talking about love.
Okay.
Yeah, context is
honest,
necessary
yeah.
because I've had multiple experiences of love with different people at different times.
Who has the potential of being a serial killer in disguise?
But not in disguise.
Ah!
They see me coming.
Gurmeet can go for a run at any point in the day. 4 a.m. he's running,
Really
like
fast.
10 p.m. he's running. He can go.
Really?
It's a talent.
Like
Yeah.
really
Wow.
fast.
And चाहे जो भी temperature हो.
Temperature.
That does
I
not
didn't know
matter.
this only.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Most likely to come often late on set. Like हमेशा late ही होने वाले हैं. We know they will be late.
कोई नहीं
No?
है हमारे
No.
That is so good.
Yeah.
मेरे ऑफिस के लोग भी सुन ले थोड़ा. Hey guys, I'm Manjari Mukherjee and you're watching me on Pop Diaries channel. I'm in conversation with very special people. उन सबसे अलग-अलग I have some special connection, but आज सब साथ में इकट्ठे मिले हैं and you are a fan of the first season already. It's none other than ये काली काली आँखें and I have to tell you that love को किसी ने इतने ज़्यादा सुंदर तरीके से डिफाइन नहीं किया है. Be negative, positive, सारे shades देखने को मिलते हैं. And season 2 is coming very very soon and we have a new face as well joining who's very close to my heart. But आगे आगे देखेंगे और क्या क्या होने वाला है because we are in conversation with the very talented cast of ये काली काली आँखें season 2.
Wow.
Welcome on board. And firstly, congratulations. Season 2. किसी भी शो का season 2 होना is very difficult because there are so many things that come into mind. So, but it's a fab thing कि we are finally getting a season 2 of ये काली काली आँखें. Seriously.
We think so
And-
too.
Yeah.
We agree.
We think alike.
Good. Because I feel that this is a show, you know, when I watched the first season, I kept thinking ki this is a show which talks about love in the negative and the positive aspects both. There are shades of love in this. There is a little bit of that possessive love, there is obsessive love, then there is love which is sacrificing as well. And season 2 का सिर्फ पहला episode देखा है, but I know that there is sacrifice in love as well. And it's beautiful. There is love of different shades. But I want to know, what is that one shade of love that you guys relate to the most? We'll start with Achal.
Wow. Anything and everything for love, but not by hook or crook. Only in the right way. Like Purva तो बहुत extreme है. नहीं तो I can live for love. मतलब.
I
Can
know,
you
right?
die
It's
for
it's
love?
magical.
That is the
So it's
question.
obviously the most important thing that centers around us. So yeah, definitely. Okay, you, Tahir.
I think both in life as well as in the show, it's such a powerful emotion that losing a little bit of yourself, like losing your sensibilities for a little bit.
That's also very true.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. I relate. But for very ajib reasons.
Yeah, I think everyone will have
I
an
mean,
ajeeb
yeah,
reason
I
with
have,
that,
yeah. For me, it's parents,
Right.
sister, and
Yeah.
Shah Rukh Khan.
Oh, we think alike again.
Okay, Shweta.
अभी तो मेरे दिमाग में वो गाना आ रहा है इश्क वाला आई एम अ वेरी बैड सिंगर इश्क वाला लव फॉर मी आई थिंक इट इज आई हैड थॉट ऑफ एन आंसर एंड आई हैव वाओ
लंच के बाद श्वेता
या या कॉफी का
तो आज अभी कौन सा गाना सुन रहे थे आज?
नहीं अभी तो इश्क वाला और अभी तो तुरुरु तुरुरु
Look, fish शुरू मत होना.
I think love is it's nice when it's nurturing
True.
and also when थोड़ा ट्रांस टाइप का हो जाता है because जब वो पैशन होता है जब वो सच्चा
Exactly.
प्यार होता है वो प्योरिटी होती है I think that can really ignite the right kind of sparks in all ways possible.
Very true. I completely agree. Good meet.
I love प्यार तो सब कुछ है यार. तो
I love
मुझे
love.
लगता है- हाँ, I love love यार actually. हाँ मतलब
I'm tired of love. Like that.
करो प्यार तो मतलब फिर सोचने का नहीं.
And I think कमी
I
है
think I
आजकल
agree.
प्यार की बहुत I think
Very,
there is there is
yeah.
love and
बहुत-
kindness which should be
I think it's
spread.
become very simple in a way. Like kind of बहुत ज़्यादा हल्के में लिया जाता है प्यार को.
आई थिंक जो फेरी
that
टेल
is
वाला
something
प्यार
that I
है ना
don't relate.
वो बेस्ट है
कौन सा वाला प्यार?
फेरी टेल्स में जैसे होता है
अच्छा
And
वही
that's
तो
the
है ना, वो
Yeah.
real life में नहीं
I
है.
can't
नहीं
come
होता
out
है.
of it, I
Especially
think.
these days, it doesn't happen that way.
I would like to believe it happens.
I also. Arunandan, what do you think?
Well, I have the opposite of yours. You said it's got everyone's taking it too simply now. I think everyone's gotten too complicated now. Simple is easy.
Yeah,
you
no,
know
not
it,
in
if you're
that
in love,
way.
you know it's simple. It's done.
Yeah, exactly. But it's taken बहुत हल्के में
हल्के
लिया
में
जाता है. Like kind of you're not giving the importance that love needs to be given, you
Yes.
know, in life.
Doesn't
Right,
matter
right,
as
right.
much
And
as
it
it
could be
should.
any kind of love. I honestly
I'm
feel.
exhausted, so no, yeah. The lack of love is wonderful. It's just serenity and peace.
Okay. Some people are relating
That's
to that
right.
also.
You have to go the other
Definitely.
extreme too.
Okay. The series shows, as I said, they show the negative and the positive sides of love. But in life, in general, have you ever felt a negative part of love in your life and somehow drawn kind of, you know, some kind of lessons from it, which has made you grow as a person? Because I personally do feel that in my life, I have grown to be the kind of person I am because I have certain very strong bonds of love, and उसमें बहुत उतार चढ़ाव आते हैं. I learn how I am as a person because of that. So, have you guys also felt something like that happening? We'll start with Arun again. No, why? Come on.
I'll be at the end.
One lesson in love that
Now,
you have
always
learned.
remember what illegal means. And leave them all alive. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
I don't know if I should clarify that. I paused.
Everyone's like, "हद love के लिए कुछ भी करेगा."
I don't know whether
That's
he's
10 to
out of
15
character
years.
yet or still in character.
That's what I'm saying. Leave me out of it.
Okay, Gurveer.
मैं भूल गया क्या पूछा है तुमने
क्या आंसर दिया? इंटरव्यू हिला दिया.
हाँ वो
Lesson in love.
Lessons in love
Yeah,
that have
something.
changed you as a person.
Yes, exactly.
यार बहुत ही प्यार से तो आप किसी से भी प्यार करो आप चाहे वो पेरेंट्स हो फैमिली हर जगह वो आपको बदलता है अगर आपको अच्छा प्यार मिल जाए तो लाइफ में आप बहुत कुछ कर सकते हो अगर वही पार्टनर आपको गलत हो गया तो आपकी वाट लगी
Okay, Shweta.
One thing that I would like to tell everybody is that no matter आप चाहे parents हो, friends हो, boyfriend हो, partner हो, whatever that relationship might be, दो जिस्म एक जान होने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. Please be your two different individuals and help each other grow.
That's nice.
That
nice.
balance I think
nicely
is
That's nice.
important.
It's really nice. Tahir, over to you.
I just feel like because I've had multiple experiences, I feel like at different times, she said love. We're talking about love. Yeah.
The context was necessary.
Yeah, context is
honest,
necessary
yeah,
because I've had multiple experiences of love with different people at different times. I just feel like it's so profound that it's something that people should live because only when you experience the intensity for yourself will you understand yourself better. So it's very hard to define because it's so subjective for everyone, but I wish it for everyone.
And Achal, lastly.
It's a very precious feeling, so preserve it for the people who deserve it. Once पेरेंट्स में भाई बहनों में बहुत प्यार मिलता है बट व्हेन यू स्टेप आउटसाइड एंड यू सी द वर्ल्ड इज़ नॉट योर होम सो दिल देने से पहले थोड़ा सोच लो कि सामने वाला कैसा है एंड देन इन्वेस्ट सो दैट्स व्हाट आई लर्नड
Also, preserve it till you deserve it is a great line.
It's a
Oh,
great
wow.
answer. It's
Yeah,
also
yeah,
it's also a good it's
Well
a good
done.
answer for that dating app bio question.
Just right.
Yeah.
Nice.
Preserve it if you deserve it.
Deserve it. Yeah.
yeah
I preserve it till you deserve it. Yeah.
Oh God. You know, with all of you, we've already come to know you as your characters because we've had a season 1 for all of you. But there's a new kind of person joining the whole family of Ye Kali Kali Aankhein, and that's Gurmeet.
Dang, dang, dang,
So,
dang.
so what is your character like for the season 2?
यार ये काली काली आंखें इट्स ऑल अबाउट लव आप
Yeah.
जिससे प्यार करते हो वो मिलता नहीं है तो आप किस हद तक जा सकते हो तो गुरु भी वैसा ही है उसको एक तरफा प्यार है उसके लिए वो किसी भी हद तक जा सकता है और सभी ग्रे कैरेक्टर है मतलब
Yeah, there's no right and wrong after.
हाँ तो फिर वो गुरु वैसा ही है और मुझे लगता है कि इंटरेस्टिंग कैरेक्टर है इसमें किस तरीके से वो आता है और अब आप देखोगे आने वाले एपिसोड में कि वो किस तरीके से क्या करता है क्या नहीं करता है आई थिंक वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग कैरेक्टर जो कि धीरे धीरे इनकी फैमिली में आता है
And we're all very lucky that he came on. board.
Yes,
Yes.
yes. We
Extraordinary.
genuinely all love Gurmeet. Very warm person. Very, very warm person.
How can you
Thank
not?
you guys, thank you.
Okay, so I have some confessions that you guys have to give me. Confessions. I'm gonna take confessions from you guys.
Okay.
It can be funny. It can be
Okay.
quirky. So अभी हम लोग पूछेंगे who me. So I will give you guys question कि ये कौन हो सकता है. And you
And we
just
have
have to tell me हाँ exactly.
This is going to be fun.
I don't understand. Anyway.
Who has the potential of being a serial killer in disguise?
But not in disguise. They see me coming. I would say her.
Yeah.
What a
I
disguise.
would say me.
Yeah, because
Can you imagine?
Exactly. Exactly. So yeah. Meaty churi.
मीठी छुरी
Okay. Reveal one secret or a hidden talent of two people from the cast.
Sketching. I don't know
no,
that's a
that's
hidden
sketches.
talent.
Wow.
Sketches.
sketch yeah
beautiful.
it's too good
Wow. That's really cool.
Gurmeet can go for a run at any point in the day. 4 a.m. he's running.
Really
like
fast.
10 p.m. he's running. He can go.
Really?
It's a talent.
Like
yeah.
really
Wow.
fast.
And चाहे जो भी temperature हो.
Temperature.
That does
I
not
didn't know
deter
this
him.
only.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay. Who's that person who's a stalker?
stalker
Oh, अच्छा,
Yes.
in life.
Like in life, like you know, sitting ऐसे ही and stalking people.
My friends though.
हाँ.
My friends
मतलब
हम सभी
कुछ-
कर लेते हैं ना.
हाँ कुछ अच्छा इंटरेस्टिंग किसी का दिख गया
मैं अपना नाम
friend
लेती
के
हूँ.
लिए, like
I
somebody
stalk a
is
lot.
I'll take it.
Okay,
Okay.
she's taking this one for the team.
हाँ
I'm
All
taking
those
this one.
fine. We
Okay,
appreciate
okay, great.
Yeah.
good
Who amongst you has a dark sense of humor?
it. That'd be
These two. Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
yes,
yeah.
yes, I forgot.
And
I
we love
thought
it.
so.
Can be
I
darker.
thought
Yeah.
so.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Most likely to come often late on set. Like हमेशा late ही होने वाले.
I think
We
nobody.
know they'll be late.
Yeah, कोई नहीं है
No?
हमारे सेट
No.
That is so good.
Yeah.
मेरे ऑफिस के लोग भी सुन ले थोड़ा. The most annoying character in the series, according to you, whom you hate to love. Like
You hate to love.
you hate to love. Like you can't help but love them.
I
but
know his
you
answer
don't like
already.
the fact that you don't want
No,
to.
there's
be
no
like-
one like as in you're
Hate
saying
to
annoying
love.
as a person you think they're annoying or as the
Oh,
character?
character.
As a character.
Character.
As a
As a
character.
character, you have to love them, but you hate that you love them.
Oh,
Not-
that you
I don't
hate
think
that you
there's
love
anyone
them.
like that. Miss.
Not annoying, but somebody who's extremely, as a character, very cute, but you just sometimes want to say, shut up is golden.
Golden.
Golden,
Yes.
Because no
Yes.
matter क्या scene कुछ और चल रहा है और मतलब अरे
कुछ ही
इनकी
कुछ
शादी
और ही कर
है,
रहा है।
मुझे इनवाइट नहीं किया हम नहीं देंगे उसको डब्बा
Yes.
so as विक्रांत अगर मेरा अगर ऐसा बेस्ट फ्रेंड होता तो
Oh God.
वो सीरियल मर्डरर को बुलाती मैं
But it's so essential to have someone like that जो पूरे सुर बदल देता है उस moment.
Yeah.
That's also true. Very true. One weird rumor around someone, who and what would it be? Like most likely to that you will create a weird rumor about somebody. Who and what would that be?
Wow.
I think these two should answer something dark
Something nice also would
How
be
about
cool.
something nice and sweet
Sure,
and
sure.
fluffy? I can do nice and
Tell
sweet
me.
and fluffy.
So do one nice, sweet and fluffy.
Huh? Pookie?
You can do Pookie.
I can do Pookie.
Sorry, what is Pookie? I have no idea.
Pookie is supposed to be someone who's adorable.
Right.
Very cute.
Yeah.
Like जिस पे दिल आता है.
Yeah,
Promotion
yeah.
we did this na. This was
But
Pookie.
that's not. Is that?
अच्छा ये तो
Yeah,
कोरियन हार्ट है
this is the
Okay.
Korean heart.
हाँ, तो ये
Oh,
कोरियन
this is
हार्ट
Pookie. Pookie is
I'm
this.
learning so
My-
much in
my
this
God.
interview. So your original question was,
Yeah, like one weird rumor that you would create for someone.
Nice people.
And what would that be?
Weird rumors.
Do we have something?
No.
Come on.
Maybe Tahir and they can come up with
Why are
an
you all
answer.
throwing us under the bus?
since
You will make rumors about us.
Since Siddharth sir is not here, we can make something up about
I
him.
knew it
Yeah.
I
That's right.
knew it
That Siddharth sir has become really social and now he only wants to meet in clubs.
That's right. That is an excellent
It's-
rumor.
yeah, that's a, yeah.
Really, yeah.
He wants to
It's
go
the
clubbing.
headline.
He wants to go clubbing on a Friday.
Well,
night.
It's the headline
He's
for
clubbing right
tomorrow.
now.
Oh,
Yeah, he
God.
is. He is, yeah.
Okay. Lastly, not following the on-screen jodis or the chemistries. If you had to make a jodi of people from the cast, who would that be? Like absolutely adorable jodis, according to you guys.
I think Brijinder Kala and Saurabh Shukla.
Best. No Jory can compare.
No Jodi can compare. Yeah.
Match made in heaven.
Okay, that was all. Thank you so much, guys, to have this fun conversation with me on Pop Diaries channel. I hope this is a very successful season, just like the first season, and it is loved by everyone. All the best, Gurmeet.
Thank
I
you.
am watching out for you.
Why you got a
And
special smile?
Yeah.
Yeah.
we know each other
just
personally.
kidding.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
You deserve special smile.
Yeah.
I give him special smile.
Okay, so that was me, Manjari Mukherjee. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And keep watching Netflix, Ye Kali Kali Aankhein. Don't miss out on the season 2. There's a lot happening, guys. Trust me. I have seen thoda bahut. So that's why. By the way, क्या करना है? You have to watch this space for more videos and this video. Comment, like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click on that bell icon. I'm Manjari Mukherjee. Until next time, bye.
Wow, that was amazing.
I got stressed just listening to you. Well done.